In this video, I'll be reviewing Jurewitz law group. So let's get started. Now, first of all, we're going to be looking at the positive aspects of Jurewitz law group. So let's get started. Let me just go ahead and write down the heading. Positive aspects. The first one that we have is expertise and experience. Expertise and experience. Now, the firm's experienced attorneys are skilled in handling a variety of personal injury cases, including car accidents, slip and falls, and wrongful death. Then we have strong communication. Strong communication. So many clients appreciate the firm's commitment to keeping them informed throughout the process because these updates can alleviate stress and anxiety for the customer. Then we have aggressive representation. Aggressive representation. So the firm is known for its aggressive approach in pursuing maximum compensation for clients, and this can be beneficial in cases where the insurance company is not cooperating. Lastly, we have positive client reviews. Positive client reviews. So, numerous positive reviews highlight the firm's professionalism, dedication, and ability to achieve favorable outcomes. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at the negative aspects or the drawbacks. Negative aspects. Alright, so the first one that we have is communication issue. Now, obviously, it's not always perfect. There are always slight issues sometimes. So, a small number of clients have reported issues with communication, such as delays in responding to calls and emails. Then, lastly, we have case handling concerns. Case handling concerns. So, some clients have expressed concerns about the level of attention their cases have received. Alright, so that is it about the general idea on Jurewitz Law Group. Now we're gonna go ahead to their website and see some reviews and explore more about the Jurewitz Law Group and what services they provide. So this is how their website looks like. The name is jurewitz.com. Now from here, let's look at the practice areas that they provide. They have bicycle accidents, car accidents, child injuries, dog bites, motorcycle accidents, nursing home abuse, premises liability claims, truck accidents, wrongful death, brain injury, personal injury, and mass torts. So you can see they are providing a variety of coverages or services, you could say. Now, let's say you have to opt for any of one of them, okay? So let's say car accidents. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that. So if you're gonna go for car accidents, just go ahead and click on it. Now, once you've clicked on it, you're gonna see this form right here, okay? Obviously, you're gonna see some information. For example, how our San Diego car accident attorneys can help you, because this is specific to San Diego State. So obviously, you can go ahead and read through all this information. This is going to be very beneficial for you guys. And once you've read through that, you can just go ahead, type your first name, last name, phone number, email, and the message, and click on submit now. Now this is going to send them an email and they'll get back to you and book a consultation so that you can discuss more deeply and come up with a conclusion or a decision. All right, so that's basically how this works. Obviously you can go with whatever you wish to take. I was just giving an example with car accidents. Now you might be wondering, what are the reviews? Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on this review section and then click on client reviews. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see that they have a particular review for each type of service they offer. For example, we were just looking at car accidents. So you can just obviously go ahead, click and watch the video. You can see that there are quite a lot of videos that say you're going to opt for a truck accident. You can just go ahead and watch this video and see what this customer has to say about the service. How was he handled with? So was it nice or was it good or was it bad? You can get all information by watching these videos, which are just like 2 to 3 minutes, and they're very informative and can help you make a decision. Now, obviously, you can also contact them if you want, which is basically again going to the contact us section, typing in your first name, last name, email address, how can they help you, your phone number, and some additional details, and they'll get back to you. Now, as you can see that they do have physical locations in San Diego, Camino, and North County. So they do have physical locations. So if you're by chance in any one of these cities, you can go ahead and meet them face to face and consult with them. So that's basically everything you guys need to know on Jurewitz Law Group. And I hope this video helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.